In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Figma files for maximum productivity. Keeping your workspace tidy in Figma will save you time, reduce confusion, and make collaboration smoother. So let's set you up with a simple, effective approach. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Once you're in, open your page so you can view your work area. With your page ready, look to the left side of the screen. This is where your files appear, typically under sections like drafts or your projects. This panel is your command center for finding and managing what you've been working on, so getting it organized is key. The most important habit here is naming your files clearly and consistently. If any file shows something generic like untitled, click into it and give it a proper name. You can rename a file right from the file browser by selecting it and choosing Rename, or open the file and click the title at the top to edit it. Do this for every file you plan to keep. It might feel small, but good names are the fastest way to find what you need later. When choosing names, think in a simple, readable pattern. Start with the team or client, then the product or feature, add the platform if relevant, and finish with the status or version. For example, you might write something like client name, dashboard, web, v1.2. If dates help your workflow, add a date in a consistent format, like 2025-12-04, so files sort logically. Keep names brief but descriptive, avoid special characters that don't add meaning, and use the same separator every time, such as a dash or a pipe, so the list looks clean and easy to scan. As you rename, glance down the left panel and make sure your files line up in a pattern that makes sense at a glance. Consistency is what turns a list of items into a system you can navigate quickly. If you collaborate with others, agree on the naming pattern and stick with it. That way, anyone can find the right file without asking, and you'll avoid duplicate versions with slightly different titles. Finally, build the habit of naming immediately. As soon as you create a new file, give it a proper name before you move on. It takes seconds and it prevents the untitled pileup that slows everyone down. That's it. Open the site, open your page, and make sure every file in the left panel has a clear, consistent name. Do this regularly, and your Figma workspace will feel faster, cleaner, and far easier to manage.